Yo, what it do? Hey, no cap. I got a haircut, bro. I buzzed my hair, bro. But I can't show y'all yet, bro. Do I regret it? Low key. But the hair progress, like the regrowth is gonna be tough. No cap. I'm about to show y'all my homie's new whip. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. My other homie that was inside.
Nah, it was me. It's mine.
Nah.
Hey, did you see her hating? Did you see her hating? She walked over and closed the door.
Oh yeah, I just see that. Look at this, bro. One of one Camaro, bro. Look, let me show y'all the interior real quick. Hey, this is hard, bro. Hey, one day, y'all gonna see me in one of these. Yup. Y'all gonna see me in one of these. Maybe not this exact car, but y'all gonna see me in something like this. Oh my goodness, sexy. Sexy. Ugh, let me get out of this car right quick. That's so sexy, bro.
These are the 700 tires? Trying to get like my boy right here.
I'll put the sparkle right back in your eyes.
Hey, how you feel about your new Camaro, guys? Yeah.
I'm leaving to take jail. Fuck it.
Look at my boy, still grinding.
Sir.
Still grinding even though he just got his new whip. That's tough. Y'all take inspiration, my boy. Yes, sir. Hey, from driving the Toyota Camry to driving a 101 Camaro, that's so hard. Soon, chat, we gonna have our own little whip to drive around. Damn, man. Damn, man.
I think I left all my cash from yesterday at home.
Damn, man. That shit sounds so nice, bro. Hey, y'all let me know what's y'all dream car, bro, because that Camaro's so tough. No, full glaze, full glaze. I don't care, man. Full glaze. So nice, my dude. So nice. Me and Lenny are gonna go grab some drinks for from the liquor store.
Should I get Speedway?
Huh?
I like you was just thinking like, when I'm about to spend at the liquor store, bro, I could just go get breakfast burrito.
What are you gonna get there?
Right here? Just breakfast burrito.
How much is that? You gonna get me one? Wow.
You two pays for breakfast.
No, not yet. You got me.
What car do you say on the rolling loud stage? Fuck the budget. Just kidding. Are you following me?
Where you going? Where you going, my boy?
Smell like laundry detergent.
You smell like laundry? That's good. It smells good.
Smell like cologne. I might not.
I'm gonna give y'all a hair review later, but
What do you hear with it?
I'm low-key chop.
What?
What you got there, my boy?
Nothing.
What you got there, my boy?
Nothing.
What you got there, my boy? Share.
No.
Share.
You always take everything from me.
Share.
No.
Share.
You take everything from me.
Share.
No.
Share.
No.
Yo. What do y'all think about the fade? I feel like it's a little off for me. It's a little off.
Hop on that 2K.
We're not gonna walk over there?
Oh, nothing else.
Hey, tell him if. No, wait. One of them told me he was gonna hook me up. Oh yeah, he told me he was gonna hook me up because I didn't charge him for like a cleanup or something like that, you know? Hook me up, hook me up. Yeah. Oh my. Alright, man.
It's probably expensive. It's like Lacey and Marlon.
No cap.
Stop, you're making me shy. Double homicide. And I want the money to change me like the money changed Michael.
Nah, I don't need anything.
Salgo bien, sí, por lo menos.
Huh?
Salgo bien.
Oh yeah.
Do I look good?
Yeah, you look good.
Caramba.
Damn. My boy look young. Oh yeah.
Did you call it for serious?
I didn't call nobody.
Bro, did he not show me text messages? I clicked on the name, I typed in the number, and your name popped up.
That's not my number, bro. I did not hit. Why the fuck would I hit him up?
90972.
That was cool. I did not hit him up.
Dude, he showed us the messages, bro. It's on video.
Okay.
He's out there right now. Go get
So I'm not gonna get him. I don't need him. I don't need him. I don't need him. I don't need anything.
It's yours. It's something different.
We're gonna start heading to the to the 99 Bon Appetit. Best steak, rice, hibachi you will ever get. You treating me like I'm your cameraman or something. Matter of fact, you can hold this shit.
Let him use my tripod. Now he think he me or something.
This is my tripod and I bought it with my own bread. Hey, imagine we get hit on video.
I'm suing them niggas, bro.
That'd actually be crazy.
I'm cashing out.
We'd actually like.
Then that Beamer that we was talking about earlier.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a vet, GTR, Hellcat, all of that. Let me show y'all the real deal. It's expensive. It's a little pricey, but it's good though.
But he got it.
Yeah, they got it. You see that food truck right there? That 909? Yup. Hey. They got it.
Imagine we get robbed by some homeless dude
Oh.
on the way back. Oh. What up?
What's good? Yeah. Yeah, I know you hungry.
Alright.
Yeah.
No, I don't, bro. Hey, that's like telling a comedian, hey, bro, say a joke real quick. Oh my god. Alright, if I freestyle, my food's half off?
I don't know about
Yeah.
But okay, freestyle so I could get a free drink thing. You a hell man. Hey, everybody's watching you.
Dude, I know. This is making it more scary. My client's right there, bro. I can't freestyle. I can't say bad words.
Bro, freestyle.
Dude, no.
Like,
Bro, you're freestyling at the barbershop.
Yeah, that's different, bro. That's home court advantage. I guess, yeah, I'll order it. Actually, at this point, they're ready.
oh my goodness.
Order on hold, you said you were gonna come to the window.
Yeah, I'll call you guys. I'll place it tomorrow.
Like, I promise you, just throw that shit away. He's not gonna go.
I'm more likely gonna.
No, he's more likely not gonna order that. I promise you.
Because tomorrow I got like 8 appointments. So I'm not gonna have time to go get food and wait.
No. I promise you, there's a higher chance of him not buying nothing. I promise you.
It's like 50-50.
No, look, now it's 50-50.
Because bro, I thought it was gonna be ready when we came.
You said you'll come to the window.
No, he said. Alright, I'm gonna go and let you
Lying.
wait. There's people actually waiting.
Oh.
I got a piece order.
¿Tienes semitas?
Let's go. We're booking.
How they fuck up that bad, bro? At first I was hungry. I said I was hungry. Now I'm hangry.
Oh no, I'm starving. Like, you know, I was hungry, but now I'm hungry. Like, you don't understand, bro. I'm hungry, bro.
Dude, it's already 5 o'clock, bro.
It's 5. I only ate breakfast once, and it was at 7:30 in the morning, bro. Like, no joke. As soon as I put up to the barbershop, I got me some cereal, some Cocoa Pebbles, or right? That's what it's called. No, Cocoa Krispies, and ate that, fell asleep, and then you put up. Yeah. He put up, and we've been trying to wait for some food, but they never put up, and we've been starving ourselves. Pulling back up to Chaka Wings. Chaka Wings. If y'all haven't watched my video, go watch the other video, man. Where we ate the spiciest wings from Chaka Wings. They were really good, no cap.
Like,
We just got our
We
food
wait
on the way
for
back.
you, like,
Nah, yeah,
we
bro,
waited
we've
for
been
you,
waiting all day
took
to eat
forever.
some food, bro.
like you.
Anyways, we walking back to the barbershop. Me and Lenny about to eat for the game.
That's a Jupiter. Right? That's what the outer space is.
Who we got winning? Lamine Lamar or Mbappe? Who?
Lamine Yamal.
And my boy, who we got winning?
Mbappe.
And who we got winning? Lamine Lamar or Mbappe?
He's a player called Alberto Medina. He's el Venado.
Right. I got Lamine Lamar. Oh my God. My glorious King Lamine Lamar, man. Why a soccer game, bro?
Assists on both goals tonight. We've seen both goalkeepers with confidence ball at their
2-0.
Marino brings that down.
2-0. Oh my gosh. Oh my.
Hands are happening. Hey, put that on the bench. Inside instead, back outside. Kalula whips it across all the way through the 6-yard box.
Damn.
Took a Spanish touch.
Oh my goodness.
First half for France.
He sold. He sold. He sold. France selling, my boy. Sold. Ah. Ah. Lamine Lamar, the goalkeeper, defender, and striker. Lamine Lamar does it all. Does it all. He's like LeBron. He can play point guard, small forward, and center. Oh, they found my glorious King Lamine Lamar. They found my glorious King Lamine Lamar. Penalty. Free kick. Y'all about to see my glorious King score. Lamine Lamar. Lamine Lamar. Outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. Yo, penalty.
He's gonna go bottom left.
He's gonna go right.
He's gonna go bottom left.
He's gonna go right. He's gonna go right.
You say right, I say left.
I say right.
$5.
No, I don't got $5.
You can win $5. It's $5.
Nah, because you're gonna go left. Look at my boy right there. He excited too.
Similar situation in March.
Hey,
He had
Slim,
his
you go to the
penalty
middle.
saved.
$5.
No. Lamine Lamar.
Here we go. Lamine Yamal against Mike Mignon.
Right.
And it's
Ah! Vamos! Vamos! Come on! Lamine Lamar! He's like that! Lamine Lamar. Lamine Lamar. Oh my goodness.
Comes across his body, closes his hips, and rolls it into the corner, touching the side netting.
Lamine Lamar.
They're coming for more. Nico Williams now from Pedri. For Pedri. Pedri.
Go! Ah! Vamos! Lamine Lamar! I don't care that he didn't do anything. Lamine Lamar! Lamine Lamar! 4-0. 4-0. Sweep. That's a sweep. Where the broom at? Where the broom at? That's a sweep. That's a sweep. Lamine Lamar. Lamine Lamar. Lamine Lamar.
Getting blurry mid-game. Know what it is.
We saw with Vancouver games of top level teams in big moments.
My boy Lamine Lamar. Lamine Lamar. Lamine Lamar is the GOAT. Lamine Lamar. Lamine Lamar the GOAT. Make sure y'all go subscribe to my channel. We have 53 as of right now. MG Barber Studio, how can I help you? But what the fuck are you talking about? Talking about Google calling me and shit. But who's that guy, bro? You know who we know? Lamine Lamar, the GOAT. Who the GOAT?
Lamine Tamales.
What's going on with your team, my boy?
That ain't there right
That's what you have to do when you're down 3 goals.
I'm the best player in 2K. Selling. Lamine Lamar! Scores! Scores! The GOAT! The GOAT! He's 17!
First touch, make sure he gets the ball close and away from long play, and then it's just a toe poke. My God's a little bit too far.
Well, that fool's going crazy.
Lamille Lamar. Oh my goodness. Lamille Lamar. The GOAT. Lamille Lamar cooked. Guys, I ain't gonna lie, bro. My voice is
It's like, oh, wow.
my voice is kind of gone, bro. It's screaming too loud, bro. Lamille Lamar. Lamille Lamar.
Bang, bang, bang. What it is, what it is.
Regardless, there's a third place match to be here in Stuttgart. That's how close we are to the Melee game.
Hey, who's the best soccer player right now?
I don't even watch soccer no more.
Lamille Lamar.
Let's go Messi.
Holy fucking air ball. I'm sorry.
Spain certainly have not stopped defending, even with this big lead.
It's Lamille Lamar.
Wow.
Ole, 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 ole. Like them but straight minis. No way they come back.
Twice been down by 4 goals tonight. They're back to 2. Again, we're running in. Manuel backing off. Kicks out. Just off the center wide. And out for a corner.
Chat. Look what just popped up on my TikTok. Oh my goodness. He sold! He sold! He sold! He sold! Bro, what did I just watch on TikTok?
Yo, Dwight, I want to do jump over ball. That's the dumbest shit I ever heard. Yo, Dwight, I want to do jump over ball.
Half of those, 8.
What'd you do? Jump out with Dwight?
I get 77 in the back of the net because we had a
He'd probably try to put his dick in my face.
ball. Quickly out. How's it? Getting a foul, trying it down off the chest. 2 minutes plus stoppage time for France to find 2 goals and complete.
You were literally with a stripper living with her literally not that long after we broke up. So fuck is you talking about, my nigga? The fuck are you talking about? The fuck about my
I wasn't dating though.
That's tough on them.
It is what it is. Get your dough. That's all I gotta say.
It's completely beat.
Wait, they scored.
Excellent timing. His 9th goal now for France. And Telefuente.
They still suck. You know, Lamille Lamar carried the game.
I never told you guys I'm actually German, huh? My middle name is Ging Heisenheit. Oh shit!
Nah, you doing too much. We just came $5.
Not yet.
But we're gonna play the Madden. Double or nothing. Lamille Lamar! Ah! Anyways, chat, I got an appointment at 3:30 or 3. I'm about to play my boy for $10. 10 double or nothing basically. And then yeah. And we're gonna play Madden or 2K. Or not 2K. Yeah. No, matter of fact, Madden. Alright, that's fine.
What the fuck?
So basically, we're gonna try this burger truck because Chato has been feeling a little hungry lately.
I'm really about to pick up a plain cheeseburger.
Bruh,
That's all
no.
I eat. Should I just go to In-N-Out?
No.
Like
Get out here. Let me tell you.
Sandy's food truck.
Yeah. That.
What is that? Pineapple? That's pineapple?
Yeah.
I ain't never seen that.
It's so gas.
Okay.
Are they here?
Alright, food review over, guys.
Are they here? Hello?
Hola.
Oh, they're here.
Oh,
See, I told you they were here. Yo. I bet. Alright, thank you. See, I told you, they're good peeps.
Alright, Choco Wings. I'm just like,
Again. Choco Wings was gas. I want a hat. Can you buy me one?
if I had bands right now, I would have.
Oh, bands? You need bands to buy me a hat?
Mm-hmm.
You just finished the cut.
Mm-hmm.
You got the hat for free.
It's because with tariffs being so high right now, and barber supply is getting more expensive, you know? You gotta think about the
Oh, you
future,
raised the prices?
you know?
I don't know.
There's real shit out here. Pray for your barber.
I don't know.